Hello, and welcome to this video on the Akashi Kaikyo Bridge, the world's longest suspension bridge built by Japan. Spanning the Akashi Strait and connecting the city of Kobe with Awaji Island, this bridge is truly a marvel of modern engineering and a testament to human ingenuity. Completed in 1998 after a decade of construction, the Akashi Kaikyo Bridge is an incredible feat of engineering that has set new standards for suspension bridge construction. With a length of 1,991 meters, the bridge towers over the surrounding landscape and offers stunning views of the sea and the surrounding mountains. The construction of the Akashi Kaikyo Bridge was a massive undertaking that required a great deal of innovation and expertise. The bridge's designers had to consider a range of factors, including the site's unique geography, the weather conditions, and the potential for seismic activity. Despite these challenges, the construction of the bridge was completed on time and within budget, thanks to the hard work and dedication of the construction team. In this video, we will take a closer look at the Akashi Kaikyo Bridge, including its design, construction process, and the challenges faced by the construction team. We will explore the innovative features that make this bridge so remarkable, and discuss the legacy of this iconic structure. So, whether you're a fan of engineering marvels, a lover of beautiful scenery, or simply curious about the world's longest suspension bridge, this video is for you. So sit back, relax, and let's explore the Akashi Kaikyo Bridge together. History. The idea for the Akashi Kaikyo Bridge dates back to the 1950s when the Japanese government identified the need for improved transportation links between Honshu and Awaji Island. However, it wasn't until the 1980s that the project gained momentum. In 1986, the government established the Honshu-Awaji Bridge Authority to oversee the construction of the bridge, and in 1988, the government approved the construction of the bridge, and work began the following year. Design. The design of the Akashi Kaikyo Bridge was a complex and challenging process that required a great deal of innovation and expertise. The bridge's designers had to consider a range of factors, including the site's unique geography, the weather conditions, and the potential for seismic activity. To address these challenges, the bridge's designers decided to use a suspension bridge design, which is ideal for long spans and can withstand high winds and seismic activity. The bridge's design includes two main towers that support the bridge's cables, which are connected to the bridge deck by vertical suspender cables. To ensure the bridge's stability and safety, the designers also included a number of innovative features, such as tuned mass dampers, which help to reduce the effects of wind and earthquakes on the bridge. Construction process. The construction of the Akashi Kaikyo Bridge was a massive undertaking that involved thousands of workers and cutting-edge technology. The project began in 1988 and took a total of 10 years to complete. The first stage of the construction process involved building the bridge's two main towers. The towers were constructed using a slip-form construction technique, which involves pouring concrete into a continuously moving formwork. This technique allowed the towers to be built quickly and efficiently, despite their enormous size. Once the towers were in place, the next stage of the construction process involved building the bridge's cables and suspender cables. The cables were made from high-strength steel and were fabricated off-site before being transported to the construction site. The cables were then lifted into place using cranes and connected to the bridge deck. The final stage of the construction process involved laying the bridge deck, which was made from prefabricated steel panels. The panels were transported to the construction site by barge and then lifted into place using cranes. Once the panels were in place, they were welded together to create a continuous bridge deck. To ensure the safety of the workers, the construction team implemented a number of safety measures, including earthquake-resistant design features and strict safety protocols. Despite these challenges, the construction of the Akashi Kaikyo Bridge was completed on time and within budget, thanks to the hard work and dedication of the construction team. Overall, the design and construction of the Akashi Kaikyo Bridge were a remarkable achievement that demonstrated the power of human ingenuity and collaboration. The bridge's innovative design and construction techniques have set new standards for suspension bridge construction, and its legacy will continue to inspire and amaze people for generations to come. Challenges. The construction of the Akashi Kaikyo Bridge was not without its challenges. One of the biggest challenges was the strong winds and earthquakes that are common in the region. To address these challenges, the builders used advanced construction techniques and incorporated a number of unique design features, such as wind-resistant open trusses and dampers to absorb vibrations caused by earthquakes. Another major challenge was the 1995 Great Hanshin earthquake, which struck the region and caused significant damage to the bridge. However, the builders had anticipated the potential for earthquakes and had designed the bridge to withstand the strongest seismic activity. The damage to the bridge was minimal, and it was quickly repaired and back in service. The Akashi Kaikyo Bridge has had a significant impact on the region and Japan as a whole. The bridge has greatly improved transportation links between Honshu and Awaji Island, making it easier for people and businesses to travel between the two areas. This has helped to stimulate economic growth in the region and has brought people closer together. In addition to its economic impact, the Akashi Kaikyo Bridge has also become a source of national pride for Japan. The bridge is seen as a symbol of the country's technological prowess and its ability to overcome challenges. The bridge has been featured in countless movies, TV shows, and other media, cementing its place in popular culture and Japanese history. The bridge's innovative design and construction techniques have inspired engineers and architects around the world to push the boundaries of what is possible. The bridge has become a benchmark for suspension bridge design, and its success has paved the way for the development of even larger and more ambitious bridge projects. The bridge's beauty and functionality are a testament to Japan's rich cultural heritage and its ability to blend tradition with modernity. And that brings us to the end of our video on the Akashi Kaikyo Bridge, the world's longest suspension bridge built by Japan. We hope you found this video informative and entertaining, and that it gave you a new appreciation for this incredible feat of engineering. Please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.